Can a born blind person have a dream?
Yes. Can a born blind person have a dream? Okay, the question stemmed from the fact that this person did not see anything. How can he have a dream? Subhanallah. I mean, does that dream is taken out from what you see? So when you see yourself in Jannah, did you see Jannah? Okay, so that's it. You know, the dreams are dreams. It's something to do with what the dreams are. Three facts, or three, I should say, types. One, from the thing that you see. No, the blind person will not. You know, maybe will not because he don't see it. But you start imagining, for example, he's working in computers or laptops, even he's blind. You might see the laptops and how they look like and how he think they look like in his dreams. Second one from the shaitan. Shaitan can play around with him. Make him nightmares, they call it nightmares. And the third type is from the Rahman. He sees the Prophet of Allah. And it's the true of the Prophet, the true Prophet of Allah. And you start describing him. We don't see that. We haven't seen the Prophet in our life. We still have dreams about him. Now,